Click Reading List on the left side Canvas course navigation bar to launch the application. On the next screen, you will be prompted to create the reading list. Click Create it. The title of your reading list is the same as the Canvas course name. Do not change the title. Click Create. On the next screen, you will be prompted to select a template for your course. Choose 15-week template. Now you are ready to build the reading list. Click the ellipsis in the section, then click on Add Items. A tray opens on the right with options to build the reading list. Select Library Search to search for library citations. A search box opens. Enter the search criteria and hit Enter. Click on the citation, then click Add. The citation appears in the section. Repeat the process to add more items to the list. Students can view the list by clicking on the Reading List link on the left side course navigation bar.